The tires on your Subaru are crucial for handling and stopping performance, but if they have significantly low tread depth or experience non-repairable damage, they should be replaced immediately, and we're your best source for new ones. After all, we have the tires your Subaru was engineered to drive on. Each tire purchase includes our free 24-month tire protection plan, and when it's time for installation, our factory-trained teams will mount and balance them to help ensure a safe, comfortable, and confident ride. We're here to help. Make it last.